So here we are, guys. This morning we're going to be flying this Skydio 2 right up there, right through that bridge. Come on out and we're going to reveal the city from there. So thanks for watching the channel. Let's get into the video. The Skydio 2 video here is going to be all about making cinematic videos at sunrise and sunset, flying through this bridge or under this bridge, revealing the sunrise and the sunset. Let's get into it. So we're going to do the begin flight. This bird is kind of really nice and easy to fly if you have the right conditions. You can see it's starting up now. The gimbal setting looking okay, and it's ready to launch. So we're going to do the launch now. I'm just going to hit that button here. There, it's launched. And like I said, we're going to be walking through that area right there. And we're going to reveal the city through the railroad tracks, through the conductor's eyes point of view. We'll let it sit here and wait while I get up there. So, I don't know, if that's not a cinematic shot, I don't know what it is. And so I've reached my height limit here, and I'm going to go ahead and return home. Just kind of give you guys a good feel what this looks like. Okay, so one of the things that phone controller HD, I'm going to switch over to photos and just take a couple photos here. Okay. So let's take a couple pictures. I'm pretty high up there. Okay, so I got some good pictures now. 43% battery. I think it's time to bring it down and get back. And switch it back to record. So it's auto records right off the bat. So this is really nice about this drone. That it can do that. Starting to come through the fog now. Oh, no. Alright guys, this is going to be the video here. It's going to be how to create cinematic footage with the Skydio 2. Ready? Let's roll. Okay, so I lost the connection there for a little bit and I regained it. So, tell it to hold altitude there. I'm going to bring it back. So you can see it's super pretty out here right now. Let's get it right. What a great camera. Wow. Put the camera down a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. Beautiful camera. So the idea, Max, is to fly this guy straight down the tracks. Unbelievable, right? I mean, really good footage. Thanks for watching. We just flew down these tracks, back over. Unbelievable. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If that's not cinematic footage, I don't know what it is. But this Skydio 2 has a really nice camera. Man, it is really super nice to watch fly. Alright guys, as usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, boom, boom. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Alright. I'm going to land this thing, okay? Alright guys, as I'm walking up here to do the final conclusion here, you can absolutely make high quality cinematic videos with the Skydio 2. The lens on this is unbelievable. software is nice, and with the controller, you can absolutely make cinematic video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.